it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This is another Fashom unboxing and try-on video. The dog is eating a bone on the floor. So if you hear the grinding and the chewing, that's what it is. Alright, so this box I'm so excited for. I specifically requested flowy tops, like more spring type things, and then I asked for a pair of denim shorts. My stylist delivered. This month my stylist again is Malls, M-O-L-L-S. I won't read the stylist note because I feel like if you want me to read it next time, let me know in the comment section down below. But I feel like for the most part, y'all just like me to move ahead, get with the clothes. That's what you're here for. So that's what we're going to do. First top I want to talk about is this beautiful blue. It's from the brand MTS. It's in a size 1X. So that tells me that this brand may run a little bit larger because this fit perfect. I absolutely love this blue floral. It's almost a little tropical in my opinion, and I wouldn't normally think that this color, like dark blue grayish, would work for spring, but with this pattern I just really like it. Just a flowy, like really pretty top. I think this fits perfect. I wouldn't size up, and it's the material. Let's see if I can find the material. I've had a couple people over my time on YouTube ask for material. So this is 92% polyester, 8% spandex. Okay, so it's that like really flowy, not clingy, not cotton. You know what I'm saying? And I really like it. This is from Mittoshop. That's what MTS stands for, Mittoshop. It's called the Floral Cutout Front Flare Hem Knit Top, and it's $41. Next one I want to show you is this Skies Are Blue in a size 2X. I pulled this out and absolutely fell in love with the colors. It is that, again, like tropical vibe. The flowers on it are really like tropical in my opinion. I love this bright pink color. However, it kind of reminds me of one of those like tops, like button-up collared shirts that a tourist would wear. Like a typical tourist. Like if you were going to be a tourist for Halloween, like you would wear like a button-up and tuck it into like some long khaki shorts and wear like a fanny pack and a visor. Like that's kind of what it reminds me of. But then when I have it on, it just feels so nice. It's a great fit. The flowiness is nice. It is super wrinkled. I guess you could just throw it in a dryer and kind of let it like iron itself out. All right, if I didn't say, this is in a size 2X. Let's talk fabric with this one. This is 100% rayon. This is called the Floral Print Neck Tie Blouse. They call the color Dark Berry Coral. It's $41. Next top, y'all, she killed it with these like spring tops. This one is so soft, and y'all know I got a thing for like blue and white pinstripes, and then when you just throw some floral on top of it, how pretty is this? This screams spring. This is from the brand Chris and Carol Plus. It doesn't have a size here. This says it's a size 2X. I love this like mini bell sleeve detail, and I also love that it knots in the front. How cute, right? I don't know though if the knot is a little bit short for me, because I don't want to like raise my arms and you see skin. And so I feel like this top may be a tad bit too short in the front where that knot is. I mean, yeah, you could wear it with something high-waisted and you'd probably be okay, but I don't know if I would actually wear it because of that. This is 96% polyester, 4% spandex, and it is so soft. This is called the Striped and Floral Knot Top. It's $42. And with that last top, I was wearing these denim shorts that Malls sent me. These are cut from the cloth. They say boyfriend short. They're in a size 20, and these, y'all know I love cut from the cloth jeans. So when I saw in the preview that I was getting a pair of jeans shorts, I got so excited. I love this cuff. It is tacked on the sides, but not in the front or the back. I would prefer it be tacked all the way around, which I can put some fabric tape and do that myself. See, it's already kind of like coming undone right there. I like these. Cut from the cloth makes great denim. Shorts are no different. These fit perfect. I just worry if they stretch like the jeans do. If y'all have any cut from the cloth shorts, let me know if they do stretch. I think the length is great. I don't know if I need these shorts. I like them, but I don't know if I need them. I have a couple pair of longer shorts like this, though I don't have any this dark, so I might actually end up keeping these. These are 98% cotton, 2% spandex. Now these are the most expensive thing in my box, and they're $52, which I don't think is a bad price for a good pair of shorts. And the very last thing in my box, I pulled this out and I'm smiling right now. There was a huge smile on my face. Okay, number one, I love the detail at the top, how the straps are. It's embroidered, it's hot pink. It's just so pretty. I absolutely fell in love with this. Putting it on, I don't know if it looked the way that I hoped it would, like if it looked as great on me as I wanted it to. I don't mind it. I don't really care for strapless bras, we know that. So I just paired it with a lavender like bralette thingy. I don't know if I would do that wearing it out. I don't know. That's my only dilemma with this. Like, what type of bra? You know what I need? I need one of those bandeau type things that just like wraps around. You can't see my hand. Just wraps around and conceals everything. I love how flowy it is. I love how long it is. This pattern on the front is beautiful. This is from the brand Andre. It's in a size 1X. Andre by Unit. It's in a size 1X. It is 100% rayon. It's called the high neck embroidered top. The color they say is fuchsia, and it's $38. So this is the least expensive thing in my box. All right, so let's talk pricing. Everything in my box comes out to $214. How Fashom works, if you keep 3 or more items, you get 25% off. So if I kept everything in my box, my total is $160.50. I really like everything. I think my stylist really hit the nail on the head with these tops. I asked for floral flowy tops. I asked for denim shorts. I got every single thing that I asked for. So I feel like I should probably keep everything. The only thing I'm not so sure about is that blue and white striped one, because that knot in the front is a little bit short. And then the one that kind of reminds me of like a tourist top, the tourist button-up top. But I know that I would get a lot of wear out of that one. I picture it with like some white denim shorts and sandals. Bam, you got a whole cute outfit. So it could really work. So let me know in the comment section down below what you liked, what you didn't like. As always, I will leave a link in the description box to sign up for Fashom. So Fashom, the way it works, the first 2 styling boxes they curate for you are free. After that, it's a $15 styling fee. That link down below for new members will get you $10 off your first purchase. So you get your first box for free. What you like and you want to keep, you get $10 off of that. So that will be in the description box down below. I like Fashom. I like shopping. I like clothes. And I really like, I said this in my last video, that they're starting to come out with brands that I'm really familiar with, like Skies Are Blue and Cut From The Cloth, both in this month's box. And I really like that because I know those are brands that are great quality that I really like. So there's that. Let me know what you think about this. That's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.